The roadshow is going to be a great opportunity for us to meet our customers. With these roadshows, we're hoping to bring the end user the build quality and show them the machines and everything that we have. There's going to be some takeaways, there's some giveaways, there's going to be promotions, there's going to be a chance to get on all the sizes of machines.
Every year AVANT brings more innovations to the market. This year we are bringing two important things. First of all, the biggest ever AVANT is 860 model. More lifting capacity, more reach. And then we also have the brand new electric series E6.